club sandwich because request of one of my Saudi follower. Tawa naman si Mami. Request niya, garuli daw, needs niya yung to show the club sandwich, how I make a club sandwich. So now, Mami, show you how to make a club sandwich. Okay? Love you! Ito yung mga needed nating ingredient para sa club sandwich. We need a brown and white sliced bread, cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, sliced cheese, 1 can tuna, 3 leaves of lettuce or kasadi cut into the thin stripe, 1/4 of bell pepper cut into small pieces, olives, kiyar and tomato for decor, black pepper and salt for our seasoning. Okay, now we start. Mix our tuna and kasadi. Mix well until the kas and tuna was already combined. Put black pepper and salt. Salt to taste. Our salt to taste. Okay, now we put the 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Can you also substitute chicken for tuna? Now, apply na natin siya. I-spread na natin sa ating bread. First, to the brown bread, we spread our tuna. The white sliced bread. So, spread natin muna ng cheese. Then put on top of the brown bread with tuna spread. Now put tomato and kiyar or cucumber. We have visitors, so you hear noisy. Okay. Now put again the brown sliced bread. Then we put our sliced cheese. Nawala na si Mami, hindi na makita kung nasaan. Ayun na, nawala. Okay, here. Now we put our olives. Now we put olives. We spread again our cheddar cheese. Put on top. And then our tuna again. This is the last. Now, put the brown bread. Okay. Now, it's done. Ikakat na lang natin siya. Okay. We make it there to show you how to cut. Okay. Remove the edge, yung mga gilid ng tinapay, remove. Silihalid. I cut it on square. Okay. We need okay, now we put na the decor of our club sandwich. Okay, now it's done. Club sandwich ni Mami. I hope you enjoy kahit noisy yung aking video. We have too much visitor. So, this is the request of one of my followers, ang club sandwich. Tuna club sandwich, okay? And don't forget, subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell para lagi updated sa mga video ni Mami, okay? Love you!